These are the elevators at the Hampton Inn and Suites off Bee Ridge Road in Sarasota. We got the machine room right here. These are Dover impulses installed in 1997.
How you doing today?
Good, how are you?
Oh, living the dream. Enjoying your stay so far?
Yeah, I think so.
There you go. Alright, have a great day.
You too. Yeah, I'm not actually staying in this hotel, but obviously if I say that, they're gonna ask me to leave. Here we are at 5. I'm gonna go back down to 1. Here's your emergency phone. Here's your cab view. I think they made the cabs brighter since the last time I was here. That being said, that was in 2017, so it's been quite a while, and we're stopping at 3. Good morning.